Lecture 3: Computer Hardware versus Computer Software. Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the world of computers to learn about something super cool: hardware and software. Let's explore what makes your computer work from the inside out. After learning this lecture, students will be able to describe the relationship between hardware and software, describe the difference between hardware and software. First, let's talk about hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer. The parts you can touch and feel. This includes things like the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Think of it as the body of the computer. Now, software is different. Software is a collection of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. It's like giving the computer directions. You can't touch software because it's inside the computer. Examples of software are games like Minecraft or apps like Google Docs and YouTube. Relationship between hardware and software. There is a close relationship between computer hardware and software. They both depend on each other, cannot work without each other, connect with the help of drivers. But wait! How do hardware and software work together? That's where something called a driver comes in. A driver is like a translator that helps the hardware and software talk to each other. Without drivers, your computer wouldn't know how to use your keyboard, printer, or even your camera. Device driver. Every computer has many drivers to make sure all its parts work smoothly. So, when you connect something new, like a printer, to your computer, it needs a driver to help it work properly. What is a driver? Hardware and software are connected with the help of the driver. A driver helps the operating system and the device communicate with each other and makes sure the device works as it should. For example, when you connect a camera to your computer, the driver helps the computer understand how to use the camera. Now, let's quickly look at the differences between hardware and software. Hardware includes all the physical parts, and it can be touched and felt. It's divided into 4 categories: input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing components. Software, however, is a set of instructions that can't be touched and has 2 main types: application software and system software. Difference between hardware and software. Another difference is that hardware will wear out over time because it's made of electronic materials, but software doesn't wear out. Instead, it can be affected by things like viruses. Also, while hardware can be touched, software cannot. So there you have it. Hardware and software are like the body and brain of a computer. working together to make everything run smoothly. Next time you use a computer, think about all these amazing parts working behind the scenes. Great job, everyone! You're now computer experts on hardware and software.